Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 2. I have given everything I see, here, or over there, all the meaning that it has for me. The exercises with this idea are the same as those for the first one. Begin with the things that are near you and apply the idea to whatever your glance rests on. Then increase the range outward. Turn your head so that you can include whatever is on either side. And if possible, turn around and apply the idea to what is behind you. Remain as indiscriminate as possible in selecting subjects for its application. Do not concentrate on anything in particular, and do not attempt to include everything you see in a given area, or you will introduce strain. Merely glance easily and fairly quickly around you, trying to avoid selection by size, brightness, color, material, or relative importance to you. Take the subjects simply as you see them. Try to apply the exercise with equal ease to a body or a button, a fly or a floor, an arm or an apple. The sole criterion for applying the idea to anything is merely that your eyes have lighted on it. Make no attempt to include anything in particular, but be sure that nothing is specifically excluded. Now, look slowly around you and practice applying this idea very specifically to whatever you see, in front of you, to your sides, or directly behind you. Again, an example might be, I have given this mouse pad all the meaning that it has for me. I have given this leg all the meaning that it has for me. We'll take about 30 seconds or so and apply the idea. Okay. Now look farther away from your immediate area and apply the idea to a wider range. Again, an example might be, I have given that wall all the meaning that it has for me. I have given that light all the meaning that it has for me. Take about 30 seconds or so. Okay, this concludes Lesson 2. Remember, the purpose of the workbook is to train your mind in a systematic way to a different perception of everyone and everything in the world. The exercises are planned to help you generalize the lessons so that you will understand that each of them is equally applicable to everyone and everything you see. Don't forget to revisit this lesson a second time before the day is over.